Welcome to Kitten Chen Nightmares, where feline food fiascos run rampant. Today, we visit the disastrous Hairball Cafe run by head chef Jim. Jim's specialty: chaos cuisine. Her kitchen is known for its questionable cleanliness and unpredictable service. Customers complain about fur-flavored meals and service slower than a cat waking up from a nap. And what does the head chef have to say for herself?
I am not the problem.
Then there's the hygiene issue. Let's just say, this kitchen has more litter than glitter. The kitchen staff is completely underwater. Chef Suga insists that the 5-second rule is actually the forever rule in this kitchen. And the signature dish of the night: mushy kibble surprise, an innovative blend of crunch and catastrophe. The reviews are in, and the customers are not feline fine.
I'd rather eat dry kibble from last Tuesday.
With a little help, the Hairball Cafe gets a complete transformation. Fresh food, clean bowls, and a staff that, well, is slightly more motivated. Okay, maybe not, but at least the health rating went from catastrophic to positively decent. And as for Chef Jim, she's moving on to bigger and lazier things.